Leo's broken car. This is Leo the lion cub. He has a fast, red car. Vroom, vroom goes the car. Oh no, the car hits a block. A wheel falls off. The car cannot go. Leo is sad. Leo tries to fix the car. He pushes the wheel on, but it falls off again. It will not stay, says Leo. Pippa the penguin waddles to Leo. What is wrong, Leo? Asks Pippa. My car is broken, says Leo. Pippa looks at the car. We need to think. How can we fix it? Barnaby the bear comes to help. What are you doing? Asks Barnaby. We cannot fix the car, says Leo. Barnaby looks very close at the car and the wheel. I have an idea, says Barnaby. We need to push, and we need to turn. Barnaby pushes and turns the wheel. Click. The wheel stays on. The car is fixed. Hooray! They all cheer. They solved the problem together. Now Leo, Pippa, and Barnaby can all play with the fast, red car.